Alright, so we did our project on volcanoes, and our problem is when volcanoes erupt, they release mass amounts of carbon dioxide and ash into the atmosphere, and this destroys the ozone layer.
This is a graph showing the devastation that can cause from a volcano erupting with the ash and CO2 being released in the atmosphere.
And then
Okay, so this graph shows the geothermal drilling, which is designed to tap the heat and energy found below the surface, which can reach beyond 17 kilometers. So the volcanoes will have to be drilled into the core to release some of the pressure, and this can show a graph of that. And next is a graph that shows the CO2 levels and the volcanic activity, obviously showing an increase in CO2 levels as volcanic activity continues. With that, we've come up with the equation y equals 1.4x plus 313.4, which can predict the future activities and CO2 levels with the volcanic activity continuing.
And while doing the project, we discovered that there has been a massive increase in earthquakes and volcanic activity.
This is a graph that shows the volcanic activity and earthquake reactions between the Yellowstone supervolcano. And then also, this shows the devastation that can occur if the Yellowstone supervolcano does not get addressed.
Because it endangers the entire country, and it can also release massive amounts of carbon dioxide if the eruption was to occur.
A possible solution for the volcanic problem is to drill into the magma chamber to release the pressure so that that volcano does not erupt and release all that ash and CO2. Also, a possible thing that we can do is tap into the volcanic chambers, use the heat to create steam, which can create power for the country or areas that surround it. That is a graph showing the possible ways that you can do that.
And also put a filter over the drill hole to convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen so we can turn it to useful energy.
Release that back into the atmosphere. So yeah, that was our project.